Alewa youth president, you are here on social media threatening the Igbos, sending them message, warning them. How many times have you stand up to warn and threaten the planet terrorists that are massacring your people? How many times have you stand up to send strong warning and strong message to the bandits that are massacring your people in the north? How many times have you do it? Nothing. And you are here warning the Igbos, threatening the Igbos, sending them serious warning because of Vedaman and B-Lord. Send this message to the president of Alewa Youth. Send this message to him. But before I say anything, I want to watch this video.
Abdul Danbature, the president of Alewa Youth. I am here to draw the attention of my brother B-Lord based on the issue he has between him and Very Dark Man. We are here to warn or to call the attention of B-Lord. Any Igbo attack on Very Dark Man, it is an attack to the entire northern Nigerian youth. We will not allow the issue between Very Dark Man and B-Lord for someone to take it personal. No. B-Lord and Very Dark Man may have their one or two issues, but my brothers from the southeast should not take it as a problem, or they should not take it as a war between Very Dark Man and the Igbos. No. They should not take it as a problem between Very Dark Man and the Igbo. No. Very Dark Man did not have any problem with Igbos. And the reason why we, the northern Nigerian youth, are coming out to support Very Dark Man is because Very Dark Man is one of us. Very Dark Man based in the north. Very Dark Man grown up in the north. Very Dark Man, his everything, his entire life is in the north, and will not allow anybody or any group should come out and start attacking one of us, and Very Dark Man is one of us. Please and please, stop this hypocrisy. Stop the attack. Stop the Igbo attack on Very Dark Man. We will not allow that to continue as the body of northern Nigerian youth. Thank you very much.
And before I say anything, Mr. Man, I want to ask you a question. Today is 20 of January 2026. I want to ask you a question. 2 days ago, 18 of January 2026, 162 Christians were kidnapped by the bandits in the north. Have you come out to condemn it? Have you come out to speak against this massacre that is going on in the northern part of Nigeria? Every month, mass burial in the north. Every month, mass burial in the north. How many times have you come out to speak, to condemn the evil that is happening in your side? Very Dark Man and B-Lord, this thing issue they are having. Some of the Igbos love Very Dark Man. Some of the Igbos supported Very Dark Man in this issue. Some supported B-Lord. There are some of Igbo people where they for latter. Latter. They are hailing Very Dark Man. They are even speaking against B-Lord as I'm talking to you about this case where two of them get. This is their churches. All these church where they see now is the church. Bandits attack 2 days ago, 18 of January 2026. Kidnap 162 Christians. More than 3 churches. And you are not talking about it. All the medias and keep silent. And you people are here talking about B-Lord and Very Dark Man. We are here. People are dying every day in the north, where you as a youth supposed to come out. As a youth, come out. Condemn what is happening. Speak against it. Mr. Man, if you don't know what to talk, keep your mouth shut. There are many things you're supposed to be talking about. There are many things you're supposed to be talking that is happening in the northern part of Nigeria. Every month, mass burial, your people are dying. And you are here talking about B-Lord and Very Dark Man. You are here talking about Very Dark Man and B-Lord. Your people are dying every day. Mass burial. Come out as a youth. You call yourself Alewa Youth President. Come out and speak against it. Come out and condemn the evil that is happening in your state, in your side. And you are here talking about B-Lord and Very Dark Man. But what I know that this case is not between Igbo and the Edo people. There are some being Edo people where support Very Dark Man. There are some where support B-Lord. As I'm talking to you, the same thing in Igbo land. There are some people where there are some Igbos where they insult Lord for this way you do. So you will not bring it here to cause trouble between Igbo and the Hausa people. Any attack on very dark man, any Igbo man who attack very dark man is attack for all the northern people. You want to bring trouble between Igbos and Hausa? You call yourself a president, Aliwayu. It's better for you to come out that place because you don't know what. As in fact, you are not worthy to become the Aliwayu president. Aliwayu president. You call yourself Aliwayu president. Massacring people in the northern part of Nigeria. How many times have you come out? Come out, call the youth to secure their village. Call the security to secure their village. How many times have you come out? You are here talking about Lord and Vedak man. As for me, I know they practice tribalism. I love Hausa people. I love Yoruba people. I love Edo people. I love both Igbo people. I know they practice tribalism. And they practice Christianity. Love your neighbor as you love yourself. That is the commandment of God. And that is what I believe.